So today I'm going to discuss the DAC and priority queue. Till now we have already discussed the linear data structure and what is queue, how we can implement queue. We can implement through circular array and through linked list. So there are some variations and it is required that like in operating system we have scheduling algorithm where we use priority. So there a kind of priority with the value of the detail of the process we maintain, and according to the priority scheduling has been done as per need. So this is the very useful alternative for the different applications. So, firstly, I will discuss DAC and then priority queue. DAC means it is a double-ended queue, DEQUE. So, D for double, E for ended, and QUE for queue. So, it is a double-ended queue. Now, what is the actual definition of this DAC? we we pronounce it as a DAC and sometimes as a DQ also. So it is a linear list in which elements can be added or removed at either end, but not in the middle. It means we can insert, we can delete any element from both ends. So that's why its name is double-ended queue. That's why its name is double-ended queue. So term DAC is contraction of the name double-ended queue. There are various ways to represent DAC. Like we are using a circular array. You can see we are taking this circular array. We will take two pointer left and right which points to end of the DAC. Left pointer will point from left side and right pointer will point from right side. So elements extend from another point, elements will extend from left to right as we discussed in Q. So it's our assumption. Now, in beginning, suppose left is equal to null, then in beginning left is equal to null will simply show that DAC is empty. Suppose it is a one instance, it is a DAC we are implementing through circular array. So you can see the value of left is 3 and the value of right is 6. So A, B, C, D, it starts from left it's and till right. So in DAC, we can do insertion left side, we can do insertion right side. At the same time, we can do deletion here, we can do deletion here. So that's why we say it is DAC. But in normal queue, we insert at one end and delete at another end. So this is the difference. This is the another situation. You can see left is here 8 and right is 2. So it is a circular one. So definitely after end, it will come to beginning. So you all are aware about these things. So I will not discuss now. So in this way, it can be implemented. There are two variation of DAC. First one input restricted and second one output restricted. Input restricted DAC means allows insertion at only one end of the list but deletion at both end. When we restrict insertion, then we say input restricted, and when we restrict output then we say output restricted. So output restricted deck allows deletion at only one end of the list, but allow insertion at both ends. So whenever we will restrict insertion at any particular end, or we will restrict deletion at particular end, so that will be the input restricted and output restricted deck. Again, we are implementing by circular array, left and right. This is the 2, 3, 4. So right is 4. There are several operations I have shown here. You can see F is added to the right, it become 5. 2 letters deleted from right, F and D deleted right become 3. KLM added in left, so you can see K, then N, L, then M. So left becomes 5. So you can see insertion and deletion can take place at both ends. M is deleted, then left becomes 6. R is added to the left, then again left become 5. S is added to right, S is added to right, then here from it becomes right is equal to 4. So in this way, we can insert, we can delete on at both ends. So this is the some variation in that. Now, priority queue. Priority queue is another variation of queue. Priority queue is a collection of elements such that each element has been assigned a priority. Priority queue means it will work just like the queue works, but the difference is each element will have a particular priority, and this priority will deal the insertion and deletion. It will affect the insertion and deletion. So this priority such that the order in which elements are deleted and processed come from the following rule. Element of higher priority processed first. तो जिस प्रोसेस की प्रायोरिटी सॉरी जिस एलिमेंट की प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा होगी वो पहले प्रोसेस होगा. जिस प्रोसेस की प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा होगी वो पहले प्रोसेस होगा. सेकेंड वन, two element with the same priority are processed according to the order in which they were added. That means if there are two elements having same priority, then it will simply work like a queue. First come first serve. तो यदि सेम प्रायोरिटी है तो जो एलिमेंट पहले आएगा वो सबसे पहले प्रोसेस होगा. Now again we can implement this priority queue by two way. The first way is one way list and second one is multiple queue. One way list मतलब single link list. Now one way link list, how we can implement? We can maintain a linked list with three field: info, PRN, and link. Like previously, just like we had value and next pointer. Similarly, here we have data field, yeah, info field, and second one the pointer for the next node. One additional field we have, that is priority number. So each node in the list will contain three fields: data field, that is info field, priority, and next pointer to point next node. Second point, a node X precedes a node Y in the list when X has higher priority than Y. तो पहले हम प्रायोरिटी क्यू में क्या मेंटेन करेंगे, जिस नोड का जिस एलिमेंट की प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा होगी वो पहले स्टोर होगा, वो क्यू में पहले होगा, और जिसकी प्रायोरिटी कम होगी वो उसके बाद आएगा, एंड सो ऑन. When both have same priority but X was added to the list before Y. जब दोनों ही सेम होंगे, यदि दोनों ही सेम प्रायोरिटी के होंगे तो जो पहले आएगा वो पहले होगा. a node X precede a node Y, कब? या तो उसकी प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा होगी या दोनों की सेम प्रायोरिटी होगी लेकिन X was added to the list before Y. So this is the condition. You can see here we can implement like this. This is the value, this is the priority, and this is the next pointer. Value, priority, next pointer. Value, priority, next pointer. Value, priority, next pointer. Value, priority, end of the list. So this is the priority queue. You can see here हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी का ए है तो सबसे पहले है, लोवेस्ट प्रायोरिटी का ई है तो ये सबसे लास्ट में है, और ये सेम प्रायोरिटी के हैं, इसकी भी प्रायोरिटी 2 है, इसकी प्रायोरिटी भी 2 है, तो जो पहले आएगा वो पहले आएगा, यहाँ पे ऐड होगा. वन थिंग, वैल्यू कम है तो मतलब प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा है, एंड वैल्यू ज्यादा है तो मतलब प्रायोरिटी कम है. जैसे क्लास में आप फर्स्ट आते हो तो उसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा होती है. So for priority we consider. So this is the simple algorithms for addition and deletion. As I said, जिसकी priority होगी उसके according traverse करेंगे, उसी according add करेंगे. Now array के through हम implement कर सकते हैं. We can maintain a 2-dimensional array, and for each priority we can maintain a list. For each priority we will have a queue. So for each priority, suppose we are maintaining separate queue, so we can take a 2-dimensional array. This queue is suppose 2-dimensional array. Priority is suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6. So each queue will appear in own circular array and must have the own pair of pointer left and right. So for that, front and rear we are maintaining separately. Value will be stored in this double 2-dimensional array, and for this front is, you can see here only one element, so front is 2 and rear is 2. You can see front is 2, rear is 2. Here front is 1, rear is 3. Here it is empty, so front is 0, rear is 0. Here front is 6 and rear is 1. Here front is 2, rear is 4. You can see here 4. And this one front is 5 and rear is 5. So this is a, for each priority 1 2 3 4 5 6 we are maintaining a circular queue, and we can maintain it as a double 2-dimensional array. These are the value, and for each priority these are the 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the front and rear value. So in this way a priority queue can be maintained. Now there are some points to observe. Array representation of priority queue is more time effective than one-way list. So it is more time effective. Why? Because adding an element in one-way list, we must perform linear search in the list. यदि आपको ऐड करना है तो आपको लिंक लिस्ट में सर्च करना पड़ेगा, लिनियरली सर्च करना पड़ेगा. बट हियर जो भी प्रायोरिटी होगी उसी प्रायोरिटी के उस क्यू में वो इंसर्ट हो जाएगा. सो इट इज वेरी टाइम इफेक्टिव. बट वन वे लिस्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन is more space efficient, because you can see here lots of the memory is required in 2-dimensional array, lots of the blank spaces, 0 entries. So another alternative we can have, we can use linked list for each priority level. So there are another solution for that. We can maintain a linked list corresponding to each priority, so we can save memory then. So this is all about the DAC and priority queue. In the next lecture I will start non-linear data structure, and that is tree. So enough for today.